Today, I set off to go where no man has gone before. Okay, I lied. I went to your average office space. I came here to speak with Bob, a man who's had some troubles in his life.
Not that long ago, I was living in darkness. I felt cold and blind to everything. And then my friends at Halo Power showed me the light.
With the help of the Halo Power Therapy Company.
Therapy company?
Well, you said you were living in darkness.
Yeah, because my breaker went out and I had no electricity.
What about feeling cold?
Without electricity, my furnace wasn't working, so I was cold.
Then you mentioned being blind to everything and Halo Power showing you the light.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in my house without lights. I don't know what I would have done without Halo Power.
Oh my gosh, this sounds like a cheesy commercial or something. What next? The people at Halo Power were friendly, did their work in a timely and professional manner, and they're really good at what they do?
You know, that's exactly what I was going to say.
Unbelievable. You know what? I'm done. I can't do this. I'll be in my trailer. Halo Power Solutions is a local small business ran by Kevin Stay, a master electrician with 20 years of experience. Halo Power Solutions provides residential and commercial services such as electrical panel upgrades, facility lighting and power, repairs and troubleshooting, and much more. You can find out more online at www.halopower.ca or call 780-995-0359. Halo Power Solutions, bringing value, building trust.